Hello, my fellow makeup enthusiasts. Welcome back to my perfectly healthy expression of makeup enthusiasm. My name is Lainey, and today I'm doing an unboxing. I'm unboxing the October No Make, No Life. What is this, you might ask? Well, when I first came across this, I knew that it was a Japanese subscription box, beauty subscription box. So I knew that there were makeup items, there were bath and body items, and this was wildly appealing to me because I love anything kawaii, I love anything Sanrio, Hello Kitty, and I love anything related to makeup. And so I was interested in this. But when I read the name of the box, I was thinking, well, okay, I know that this is Japanese. So I read it as no make, no life, or something. I did not know how to pronounce it. And finally, I realized that no make means no make up, no life. So in other words, life is not worth living without makeup. I don't know if I would go that far, but I understand the sentiment. Anyway, this box is $35 a month. That's a little bit on the pricey side, but pricey side. But keep in mind that you do get 8 or 9 full-sized Japanese or Korean beauty items per box. So they've gone up since I first subscribed. When I first subscribed, I think it was $29 a month, and you got like 5 or 6. So that little bit of a price increase and that fairly substantial increase in the number of items that you get, I'm okay with it. So anyway, I'm gonna stop jabbering. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the October box. Now, I had canceled this subscription for oh God, can't talk, the box is trying to eat me. I had canceled this subscription for a little while just because I was getting too much stuff, not because I wasn't liking it. And I came back to it for October because the Halloween boxes are usually really fun. And this year's Halloween theme is Harajuku Halloween. You know what? Before I start this, let me take my little thumbnail. Okay, now that that ridiculousness is over, let me go ahead and talk about the pamphlet. And you know what? Sometimes when I watch unboxing videos, I kind of zone out when they're reading the pamphlet or the card. But this is actually useful because a lot of the products in these boxes will have the ingredients listed in Japanese or kanji, and I don't read those. And so this is actually useful because it's in English, which I speak fluently most of the time. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing that I see is a sheet mask. It's a pumpkin sheet mask. So that sounds kind of fun, although sheet masks almost always break me out. So you want to see Lainey get some zits? I'm tempted to try this. Let's try it later on, and we'll see how funny my zits are. The second thing I'm seeing in here is a Bling Cat eye patch. So I'm guessing that these are like cooling eye patches. I'm gonna open it. Whoa, that was wet. Whew, that thing was a squirter. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in the bag if I can get it to go back in. I think I can. And I'm gonna use this later on after I've taken my makeup off. Maybe I shouldn't have done my makeup first because this is gonna ruin it. And I spent some time on this makeup. It may look like a dumpster fire, but damn it, I worked hard. Oh, this is useful. I was sitting there looking at that eye mask thingy thinking, my gosh, that is going to slip and slide all over my face. I'm gonna have to lie down. I'm not that great at being still. But this is something I can put on. Woohoo! So this is meant, I think, to hold the little eye mask in place. That's kind of fun. And you always get some kind of really cute beauty tool in the No Make, No Life box. You get much cuter, much just more fun and innovative tools than you get in American beauty boxes. And I guess that could be true of like the guy version of tools. But is it just me, or do guys use the term tool more often than girls use it? Because usually when I hear the word tool, I hear it within the context of the accusation,
oh, you like tools, but you don't like nice guys. I'm a nice guy and you won't give me a chance. You like that tool.
Well, really, the truth is that it's just that you and I have different definitions of nice, because my definition of nice doesn't include insulting someone's mental health or doing someone unsolicited favors and then expecting sexual favors in return for the unsolicited favors, but that's just me. The next item is a Pop Devil color treatment. So this looks like semi-permanent or washout hair color. And I have to admit, I'm a spoiler junkie, so I looked at a little preview, and I know that there's a couple of different colors of this that you can get. It's like one of those washout hair colors, and I have a wig that I need to, it's a platinum blonde wig, and I need to make it a little bit lilac for Halloween. And so let's see if I got the purple one. I did! I got the purple, yay, okay. So that's one less thing that I have to worry about for my Halloween costume, for one of my like many Halloween costumes. Ooh, okay, I'm really excited for this. This is a Happy Halloween bath powder. So this is kind of like bath salts, but it's more like cocaine than crack. So it's more of a powder than a rock. So this is gonna be fun. I'm guessing that it's gonna be fall scented, so it's gonna be like pumpkin or spice or something nice. So I'm gonna take a bath with this as soon as I get finished with my Saturday errands, and that's gonna be nice, I hope. And oh, we have a lip gloss. This kind of reminds me of those old-fashioned lollipops that you would get in the old-timey candy stores. Does it smell? Ooh, actually it smells good. Okay, this is nice. And it looks like it has a little bit of glitter in it. I don't know if it's showing up on my lips, but can you see it on my hand? Yeah, I can definitely see the glitter on my hand. I don't know that it's on my lips or not, but it tastes like tangerine, so I'm into that. And then we have some nail art. I'm not really into putting stickers on my fingernails, but I'll play with them if I have them. And these are cute. These look like, these are Valentine's Day themed. Why are these in the Halloween box? I would have much rather had like ghosts and spiders and pumpkins, but this is Valentine's Day themed. Okay. And then we have a makeup palette. I like the outside of this, so I'm hoping that the outside reflects the inside because I'm into purples. Okay, yeah, that's boring, but this does look like a cream blush, so that's interesting. If I didn't have blush on already, I would try it on my cheeks, but let's see. That's pretty. All right, let's see how these swatch. They don't look like they're gonna swatch the best, but we'll give them a chance. Seriously? Yeah, that is hot fucking garbage. The blush is pretty though. This, I'll use this, but yeah, these shadows are fucking awful. So what did I think of this box? Honestly, like, I'm really disappointed in this. This is the worst no make, no life box I think I've ever gotten. So I'm kind of regretting renewing my subscription a little bit. I mean, I used to get so excited about this, and I was so excited to have renewed and to be getting this again, but man, this was lame. I'm sorry, this sucked. So you know what I'm gonna do? Later on today, I'm gonna film a Lush haul because my order from Lush UK came in, and it's a preview of the Christmas products because they already have their Christmas stuff on the UK website. So that came in, and then later on today, I'm gonna go to the Lush store and get some Halloween goodies. So I'm gonna do a video on Lush products because I know those are gonna be good. I know those are not gonna let me down. So that wraps it up for today. As always, thank you so very much for joining me. Follow me on Instagram. I will follow you back. Throw me a pity like, give me some encouragement to make some more videos. Very special shout out to you if you are watching this video on the toilet. And until next time, stay adorably obsessed with makeup and subscribe wisely.